Did you know that there are over 400 million active Instagram story users every single day? According to a study conducted by Sprout Social, that was what they found out. And on this episode of SOS Creativity TV and SOS Creativity FM, we're going to be looking at how your brand can utilize Instagram story to benefit your business. And with that being said, let's jump right into it. Before I give you all the 4 points, I want you to know that we provide valuable content such as this one every single week. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to join the notification squad. So you're one of the very first people to get the content as soon as they come out. With that being said, the first feature you can utilize to help grow your business is the Instagram polls. The polls in the Instagram story, should I say. So one of your goals on social media is to increase your engagement. By utilizing the poll feature, you can get your customers or get your audience actively engaging with your content because you're giving them easy opportunity to relate and engage with your business. For example, if you're looking at launching a new product and you're deciding what product name to choose, you can create a poll and go A versus B, get the users to engage with your content. This will increase the overall engagement, which further down the line will increase the sales for your business. Another way you can utilize the Instagram story is by providing how-to and tutorial videos. Quite quickly, using the Instagram story, you can record a member of staff providing an insight into how to do something that could be valuable to your audience. You don't have to create a polished post or content to then use in the grid, but because a story is only going to show up for 24 hours unless you put it into the archive area of into the featured area of the Instagram profile, you can quickly just pull out the phone, record a quick video of how to do something which will add massive value to your audience, therefore increasing your reach and growing your business. The third point, if you're in the B2C market, you should be using Instagram stories to provide sneak peeks towards your product launch. So if you're launching a product in 3 months, 3 weeks, whatever that timeline might be, gearing up to that launch, providing content every single day via your Instagram story is a sure way to captivate your audience. Gearing up to the launch of your product, using Instagram story is an amazing way to generate and build awareness to that product. For example, if there's 10 days left before the product launch, you can start a countdown that every single day shows a different angle of your product to continue to tease the audience and tease the user right up to the product launch. So that when the launch then happens, you've already got a number of captivated people engaged and willing to find out more about the product, which will help you boost sales on your product launch. And finally, the last point we're looking at for your Instagram stories is by showing behind the scenes. Showing behind the scenes makes your company, makes your brand a lot more personable. And on social media, people like to see something they can relate to. So if you're using the behind the scenes, if you're showing behind the scenes of your company on Instagram stories, it's very easy for people to engage with your further content, which will overall in turn help your business grow. I'd love to hear your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. If you have any questions on how to use any of the Instagram features below, leave them in the comment below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. My name is Steven and I'm the director of SOS Creativity. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to join the notification squad. Till next week, bye for now.